I thought I was done with this thing, but I keep coming back to it. What's up, friends? Back again. Just came from the car wash. Came from washing the car. And while I was preparing my goodie bag of car wash supplies, I had a question for myself. On the directions for the Armor All wheel and tire cleaner, it says to wet the tire first. Out of curiosity, I may have not wet the tires when I went to go wash the car, and it may have cleaned the rims and the tires. I'm like, it made me think, why did they say wet the tire? If, in fact, you can still get the tires and rim clean without wetting it. Now, mind you, the directions, let's see, I had to go grab the bottle. Oh, wow. Kind of hard to see in the light. Let's step back a little bit. So, the directions say to clean the wheel and tire. Wet, excuse me. Hold on a minute. There you go. Now you can see what I can see. Wet cool wheels with holes. Then it says to, oh wow. That's hot out here. My phone don't want to act right. Really? I just adjusted it. Now I don't want to. This is embarrassing. Wet cool wheel with holes. Hold bottle 6 inches from wheel and tire, then with hole. Then completely saturate wheel and tire with cleaner. Allow foam to penetrate for 30 seconds. Wipe with a soft cloth or sponge. Thoroughly rinse wheel and tire. Dry with soft cloth towel to prevent water spots. So, what I did was, I didn't follow the instructions. I just wanted to see what was going to happen. I didn't wet the wheel. I saturated the tires, the rims. I scrubbed them down. And then I hosed it off. It clearly says allow foam to penetrate for 30 seconds. Wipe with a soft cloth or sponge. Thoroughly rinse wheel and tire. Then you can go back and dry the rim. That's because, as good as this stuff is, it leaves some dirt particles on the rim. So I'm thinking, okay, it looks good. It wasn't until it started drying that I noticed there was still some loose dirt on there. I was able to just take a towel and wipe it off, but the instructions clearly say to wipe it off after you get through rinsing it down. That's because there will be dirt still left on the tire, on the rim. But for the most part, it did what it said. But I understand that some people are not going to follow the directions. So I wanted to know what would happen if someone perhaps didn't follow the directions to the T. And that's what happened. You'll get a little dirt on there, still stuck on there, but you can just take a towel and wipe it off and continue on with your day. It's not a big deal. But I still don't like the fact that this product says that you have to wet the tire first. It makes it drippy and just drips down, drip, 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 and you don't get all that dirt off. When you don't use the water first and you just spray it on there, it sticks better. And you can still see the browning, and you just agitate it, get your brushes, get up in between the spokes, get the hub and the barrel. I don't know. I know some people will still want to use the Armor All wheel and tire cleaner. So I just thought I'd make a notation of that. Let people know, hey, if for some reason you decide not to follow the instructions as posted on the back of the bottle, the worst thing that will happen is you'll have to get down there and wipe off the dirt. That's it. Other than that, you're still going to get clean. It's still going to do its job. It'll just take you a little longer. A couple of seconds, 5-10 seconds, get down there, wipe off the dirt, apply your wheel dressing, and you're good. So, yeah, that's about it. Other than that, me personally, this was my last time using this. I am on to bigger and better products. I recently had an inclination to try the Adams. I'm not sure if I want to go that route, but if anybody has any good experience with Adams car care products, wheel and tire cleaner, wash and wax, any of that stuff, then please, by all means, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will see about checking out that product. All right, guys, it's a nice hot day. The car is clean. I'm gonna put on some clean clothes, and I'll see y'all on the road.